So how can you allow calls on the iPad but from the iPhone, of course? So let me just show you how it works before we get started. Subscribe to Foxtecc so you that way do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. So on your iPhone, you just go to the settings app, and at the bottom of the page, we have the apps section where individual apps have their own settings menu. Then obviously you can find the phone app at the bottom, and from those which do appear, or the things which are going to show up, you will be able to find the settings page, which is called calls on other devices. That's of course assuming that your iPad is like nearby and whatnot, and you'll be able to select it from this, and even shows you like more devices. Depends on how many you have added to your like Apple ID and like your Apple account. So it might be even the MacBook or like a Mac computer, or even a different iPhones can, have the calls forwarded. And it just means that whenever you receive a call through the regular cellular method, like not the FaceTime call or anything like that, but the regular phone calls, it might be picked up on the iPad. The condition is, of course, that your iPad needs to be nearby. It's not like you can be in a completely different location, but it will work out, right? So that's how you can set it up. Let me know if you managed to do it. In case of any questions, you can leave them below. Subscribe for upcoming tutorials and more explanation videos like this one, and I'll see you later in the next videos like this one.